to come.
No. Man down.
She's like, unfortunately, okay, then I'll buy my popcorn. Oh, wow. It's like spicy.
This is cold.
How many souvenirs did we get already?
Pour votre sécurité, veuillez rester assis pendant tout le voyage et garder les mains, bras, pieds et jambes à l'intérieur du bateau. S'il vous plaît, surveillez les enfants. Merci.
Merci.
Bienvenido. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del barco. Y cuide a los pequeñitos. Gracias. Welcome to It's a Small World. For your safety, please remain seated throughout your voyage, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch your children. Thank you. ようこそ。お客様の安全のため、乗船中は船から腕や足を出さないでください。また、お子様から目を離さないようにお願いいたします。ご協力ありがとうございます。
It's not even hot.
Asiago cheese, bacon, cream cheese. You got what you got?
Chorizo, huevos.
Breakfast burrito from Friends. I got my iced matcha latte with crumbled vanilla, and Danny got the iced vanilla latte. Oh wow, you even have sauce. You have multiple sauces. Excuse me, options. I was like, of course you're gonna be here. Got the menu at the top. Yeah, see, it's sold out. Pre-ticketed only. Because at least we bought it like 2 hours ago.
We gotta pop a little Mario.
What? What the hell? This is unreal. Where? Yum. Good morning, everyone. It's Brittany. It is Tuesday now. This is our last day in LA. We're actually gonna start packing and getting ready to go to the airport. We'll probably stop across the street to get some Alfreds, and then we're gonna go to Randy's Donuts because there's one right near the car rental place before we return the car. And then yeah, that's a quick trip to LA. I'm just gonna show you like the room since I haven't. It's a mess, so don't mind that, but here's the room. So here's the bed, little closet, window, AC. You have a TV stand. You have a couch here, a little coffee table, office desk, fridge and microwave, and then the bathroom and then the door. Yesterday, we got some pizza at Reno's, which is like down the street. That was everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.